This is the material required to make working of lungs model. Initially take Y joint and ensure that all its tubes are open, means there is no block in the tubes by blowing air through them. Once it is confirmed, then take a balloon, put it around one of the arms, then take a small rubber band, stretch it and put it at the mouth of the balloon by twisting it 3-4 times. Similarly, connect or fix the second balloon using another rubber band to the second arm of the Y joint. Okay, now this assembly is ready. Insert the assembly into the container by keeping the balloons inside the container. Take out the single arm out of the container. You will see that it is loose, but then we will fix it using clay at the end. Now take the rubber sheet provided with the kit, we will call it as diaphragm. We will fix it on the mouth of the container using the rubber band. Here you may need help from some other person. Stretch the diaphragm and then put the rubber band around the neck of the container. Then finally fix the clay around the arm of the Y connector to seal the joint of Y connector with the container. Our model is ready now. Now we will see the working of the model. Stretch the diaphragm down